Okay, well, let's see how they're doing out here today. Looks like the concrete walkway's been put in. They've got some sprinklering in there, it looks like. Not quite sure how those sprinkler heads interface to those, what would look like a drip line. Not quite sure. I do know they were putting that white PVC water line under the ground about a foot, as evidenced by the pieces laying around. That water line comes around, goes into there, and comes across. So that's true. I don't know about your code requirements in your area, but they're much different here than California. They relocated the main to come in here, and I believe that comes across and feeds into, well, that's the gas. Somewhere it feeds into the house. Certainly, site cleanup routinely is something to be desired here. Some pretty big drip line. This is going to be a 7-foot wall. That block design doesn't require grout going vertically, and those cornerstones and midsection posts are quite hefty block. Got the block staged to go in. Now that side street wall will be 7 feet, and in back it'll probably go around 8 feet, so that we have some height, given that the elevation next door is probably about 2 feet higher than ours. So we'll have an 8-foot wall back there and a 7-foot wall at the street side, which is unique. Again, compared to California, I don't believe they would allow us to go that high. Got a hydrant valve there. They put in a drain comes out here. They've got Kathy's hose out here. She's not going to be happy about that. It's a barrier hydrant. Frost-proof. We need that here in the desert. So this valve is down in the ground below the frost line. That black tarp is supposed to protect the concrete as they're driving that bobcat across there to excavate the other side of the patio slab. But the dirt layer is probably just as much a protectant as the tarp. This cement patio is 17 feet by 60 feet. It's 4 inches thick as well as the walkway. Looks like they just left. There's a microwave out there. They've been working on leveling this out. Let's check this valve out. See how that thing works. Sprinkler valves. That wire there will go over to the Rainbird. There's the foreman. We've got that elevation cut down to the top of those cinder block. Of course, I got a broken block there from running that Bobcat, but they cut it in about 2.5 feet from that wall. So that was probably about maybe that's 16 or 19 inches. I'll put some sort of a retaining, not a retaining wall, but something that will hold that dirt back about 2 feet off from that wall, so I have room for my barn after they do some more leveling and put some rock in there. Look, you get the microwave out here.
Oh my God, that's huge.
They just have a party out here. Oh, they cut the Rainbird wire. Everything's cut.
I mean, if anything, it's just a mess.
They're redoing the wire. All this is probably, and they're going all the way now
They're
around.
not going to be done today. He said they thought they'd finish today, but they're not.
Oh, finish what?
The sprinklers.
No way. They're having to rewire that sprinkler.